Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Today I'm making some air fryer fried chicken, and I'm gonna use chicken drumsticks. So what I did is I soaked them overnight in buttermilk, and that way it kind of helps getting the meat a little more tender. And so here they are already soaked for 24 hours. I got eggs, flour, some avocado oil to spritz, some baking powder, and I got a number of herbs that I got all mixed here together, but I'm gonna post them in the description box, the exact quantity of all my ingredients. And so yeah, let's make these drumsticks in the air fryer and let's see how delicious they come out. So I'm gonna grab a drumstick, I'm gonna put it in the flour and I'm gonna dredge it well, and then it goes in the egg wash and then back in the flour, and then we're gonna place it on this cooling rack. I'm preheating my air fryer to 390 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to grease the basket. You can also use parchment paper if you like to ensure that the drumsticks don't stick to it. I'm gonna use just some avocado oil and do it that way. So then I'm gonna put them in the air fryer and air fry them for anywhere between 12 and 15 minutes. I'm gonna flip them over, and if there are any dry flour spots at that point, I'm just gonna spritz with my avocado oil to make sure that we don't have these dry flour spots. And then I'm gonna fry them for an additional 13. And here we have the air fried chicken drumsticks. They don't look as pretty as when they're deep fried, but they're delicious, let me tell you. They taste really good and are healthier with this air fried version. You can also deep fry them if you like. Same recipe, same process, just fry them in oil for 3 to 5 minutes. And same thing. So I hope you give it a try. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.